Let's be honest. If you're driving for Uber Eats and you're not claiming these tax deductions, you're basically tipping the government for no reason. And they're not complaining. But here's the thing, there are seven tax write offs that can save you hundreds and sometimes even thousands every single year. And most drivers miss at least two. And today, let's fix that. So the number one is the mileage, the big baller deduction. Mileage is the heavyweight champ of the tax deductions. So every kilometer you drive for Uber Eats, it's worth cold hard earned cash. In Canada, that's roughly 70 cents for a click. And do us mock if you drive for 20,000 kilometer a year, and that would be around ten to $14,000 deductions. And you don't need a PhD to track it. Just grab a mileage app and or a notebook and log like your reference. It really depends on it, and because it's literally does. So the number two is the gas and oil. And the gas and oil, if you're not using for a mileage method or you just want to extra write off power, you keep every single gas receipt. So if your 80% of your driving is Uber Eats, and guess what? That 80% fuel bill is deductible. And you do oil changes, and it's the same deal. Treat your car like a business asset. It's not a bottomless pit. Number three is your phone bill or the data. That's your digital lifeline. For Uber Eats, without phone is like a pizza without a cheese, and it doesn't work. So your phone is not just a gadget. So it's called your office, your GPS, your customer service line, all in one. So you can deduct the business portion of your bill, usually 70 to 90%. And if you upgraded your phone for a work, and that is also deductible. So yeah, if you bought an iPhone, that can finally pay for itself. Number four is the gear and the hard bags. Those are the secret weapons. And delivery gear is the unsung hero of the game. And hard bags, mounts, car chargers, or the reflective jackets. So they keep your deliveries smooth and your tips hot. So keep your receipts, everything that you use to do your job counts. So you order on Amazon or you bought them on the Walmart. So keep them, save those receipts so you can give it to CRA or IRS and end of the tax year. Doesn't matter where you bought, but they make sure that you have the receipts. So number five is a parking and tolls. Parking tickets during your shift or the tolls for on the delivery routes. So those also counts. So take a picture and make sure you toss it in your tax folder. And it's a small stuff, but over a year, these little grim lines add up for a real cash. The number six is your car insurance and maintenance. And your car isn't just your ride, it's your storefront, and the percentage of your insurance, your brake, job loss, or the tire rotation, even that the alternator replacement and also deductible. So the proportion of your delivery you can use and keep those receipts and track the mileage split and watch those expenses work for you at the tax time. So the number seven is the home office. And this is where you level up from just a driver to a business owner. So if you see a corner of or if you use your corner of your home and plan roads, manage finances, or handle the admin side of your gig side, and that is home office deduction. Plus your internet bill, tax software, even bookkeeping services that can also count on. So this is the write-offs most of the drivers they miss. And one business-minded hustlers, they really love that to do it. So these are the seven tax deductions that Uber drivers should claiming on every day. And the best part of it aren't our loopholes. They are straight up legal ways to keep your money on your side. And the government won't remind you, but I just did. So if you found this tip is helpful, please leave a comments on the below. And if you're ready to take your delivery hustle on from side gig to a smart business, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And I'm dropping my next personal income tracker system that makes the tax season that's stupid easy. So don't forget to subscribe for 2% growth. See you on the next video.